Top 10 Unusual Medical Conditions. When we think of medical conditions, we often think of common illnesses such as the flu or a broken bone. However, there are some rare and unusual medical conditions that exist, affecting a small percentage of the population. These conditions can range from bizarre physical symptoms to unusual psychological disorders. In this video, we will explore the top 10 most unusual medical conditions that you may have never heard of before. 1. Auto-Brewery Syndrome. Auto-Brewery Syndrome is a fascinating and rare medical condition. People with this condition have an overgrowth of yeast in their gut, which can lead to fermentation of carbohydrates into alcohol. As a result, these individuals can experience symptoms similar to being drunk, even if they haven't consumed any alcohol. 2. Parasitic Twin. A parasitic twin is an extremely rare and fascinating medical condition that occurs when one twin fails to develop properly in the womb. As a result, the underdeveloped twin becomes attached to the fully developed twin, relying on their blood supply and organ systems for survival. This condition can lead to physical deformities and health complications for the host twin. 3. Walking Corpse Syndrome. Walking corpse syndrome, also known as Cotard's syndrome, is a rare and puzzling medical condition in which individuals believe that they are dead, non-existent, or that their organs are decaying. They may also experience feelings of emptiness. This bizarre disorder can have a significant impact on their daily lives, making it difficult for them to function normally. 4. Foreign Accent Syndrome. Foreign accent syndrome is an incredibly rare and intriguing medical condition that causes individuals to develop a foreign accent. It can be a source of confusion and frustration for those affected, as they may face difficulties communicating and feel like strangers in their own bodies. 5. Congenital insensitivity to pain. Congenital insensitivity to pain is an extremely rare medical condition in which individuals are unable to feel physical pain. While it may seem like a superpower at first, it is actually a serious condition that can have detrimental effects on a person's health and well-being. Without the ability to feel pain, individuals with this condition may not realize when they are injured, leading to more severe and potentially life-threatening consequences. 6. Stoneman Syndrome. Stoneman syndrome is an incredibly rare and devastating medical condition characterized by abnormal bone growth and ossification throughout the body. This condition causes the bones to become rigid and stone-like, resulting in limited mobility and significant physical impairment. 7. Progeria. Progeria, also known as Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome, is an extraordinarily rare genetic disorder that accelerates the aging process in children, causing them to exhibit symptoms typically associated with elderly individuals. Afflicted children experience premature aging, characterized by rapid hair loss, wrinkled skin, and skeletal abnormalities. The condition arises from a mutation in the LNNA gene. 8. Alice in Wonderland Syndrome. Alice in Wonderland Syndrome is a rare neurological condition that can turn reality into a whimsical and distorted experience. Individuals with this condition may perceive objects or their own body as much larger or smaller than they actually are. It's like stepping into the surreal world of Lewis Carroll's famous book. This condition can be disorienting and bewildering, leaving those affected questioning what is real. 9. Alkaptonuria. Alkaptonuria is a rare metabolic disorder that affects the body's ability to break down certain amino acids. As a result, individuals with this condition can experience a buildup of a substance called homogentisic acid, which can cause urine to turn dark and have a distinctive odor. Over time, this acid can also accumulate in the connective tissues, leading to joint and muscle pain. While there is no cure for alkaptonuria, treatment options aim to manage symptoms and improve quality of life. 10. Persistent Sexual Arousal Syndrome. Persistent sexual arousal syndrome is a rare medical condition that causes spontaneous and uncontrollable sexual arousal in individuals, often without any sexual thoughts or stimulation. This constant state of arousal can be overwhelming and distressing for those affected. It can disrupt their daily lives, relationships, and overall well-being. Persistent sexual arousal syndrome is a poorly understood condition with limited treatment options, making it all the more challenging for those who live with it. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.